Hi, let me show you how I retrofitted my wine fridge into a cheese cave. This is what my wine fridge looks like now. First, I removed the metal racks because they quickly rusted in the high humidity. Then I replaced them with these stackable bamboo shelves that were pretty cheap. I put in a humidifier that fit the size of my fridge because I found out things like these bricks were not going to be enough to maintain the high humidity levels. And then I put in a thermostat with a hygrometer and connected my humidifier to an Inkbird sensor. This is my Inkbird sensor that shuts off the humidifier automatically when it reaches the right level. The cords come out under the fridge door. I also have bamboo mats for my cheese wheel, a dedicated cheese brush. The branding is optional but so much fun.